Hello, teachers. I'm going to just tell you a little bit about what I've learned about Jamboard. I've been jamming on this board for a little bit now. This is my first time through it, but I've learned a couple things and just want to share a couple things that could help us all have a successful experience. This is Jamboard. Okay, so the first thing is it's new. We got to get ready for something new. This is a sticky note. Check out what I did. Put that right there. Jamboard is a live and interactive app. It's all web-based and it's live. So that means whatever I do on my Jamboard, whoever else is in that same Jamboard can see it too. So if I move this link, or if I move this sticky note and you're in it, you could see it too. This means you are going to have to make a copy of the Jamboard. And in fact, when I send you this link, I'm going to force you to make a copy just by changing that part of the URL right there. So I'm going to copy this, and that's the exact link that I'm going to send you. So it's going to tell you to make a copy. You have to make a copy so you have a unique Jamboard. Otherwise, I'll be seeing everything you do in mine. Okay, so make a copy. This also means that students will have a live edit access version of your copy, which, I don't know, maybe you're already thinking of this, means that could be pretty scary, right? Students will be able to, just like I can, delete stuff. There's a backspace. That's a little bit freaky. This means, though, that we're going to have to teach some skills, some expectations, some norms around using this, just like we would if we were going to do a big collaborative whiteboard or a big collaborative sticky note activity in the school. We'll ask the question before we start. Hey, when someone else's sticky note is on and you agree or disagree, is it a great idea to take that thing and crumple it up and put it in the garbage? No, of course not. So we're going to have to develop our expectations and routines around that as well. Let's see, did I write anything else? Yep. So that's what I'm saying. We're going to need to do some pre-teaching to keep everyone together and to help students use the resource respectfully. By keep everybody together, this is what I mean. Right now, I'm on slide 2. But since everybody has live access, anybody could go beyond slide 5 and be doing whatever they want. So as we go, I'm envisioning something like this. All right, everybody, let's all go to slide 2 so we can have a little introduction. Let's go. All right, now we're done with this one. I think no more sticky notes, right? Yeah, let's go to slide 3 for our first activity. And this is the first activity. Like I said, it's going to be new. It could be a little freaky. We might have to stop and see how things are going. In this first activity, it's just a quick SEL check-in. How are you feeling about the academic schedule coming up? So the first thing you're going to do is write a sticky note. The cool thing is, as students make the sticky notes, they'll be able to see each other's thoughts and feelings. So I'm going to make a sticky note, and I'm going to say, I feel excited. And I think I want mine to be pink. Then I'm going to save that. Learn just from trial and error that then you have to cancel the sticky note, and I can move it anywhere I want. The next part of this is to add a picture to show how I feel. So I'm going to use this Add Image button. I'll add the image, and that's how I was feeling when I was thinking about doing a Jamboard with students. But I'm going to look for an excited. Oh, come on now. Excited. This is the Google image search. You can also upload images or get something from your drive or your photos. But I'm going to try excited. There we go. Something from my childhood. Very relatable to everyone. I feel like Homer, very excited. Maybe there was donuts involved. That pink make me think of donuts as well. And that is my feeling. Imagine this board filling up with all the students' feelings, and some can see, oh, wow, I feel just like other people, or, oh, I'm not the only one, or, ooh, it looks like some people are nervous. As you can see, there's lots of opportunity for us to use this. Right now, I did my sticky note as anonymous, but I could have signed it, Mr. Sundquist. We can decide as we go what kind of level of anonymity or personality we want to put to it. Okay, and then these are the only skills they're going to need for this first activity. These are really powerful skills that you can do a lot of things with. In the next frame, okay, students, we're all going to go to the next frame. Let me just introduce, or could we have somebody read what to do, right? And okay, so first you have to make a sticky note with your name on it, and then put your name on your top choice. I forgot what the activity was. So here's mine. Ooh, there's a pro tip over here. Use Control plus C or Command and C if you're on a Mac, and I can make a copy. It seems like nothing happened, but everybody, let's move over to slide 5 so we can start the game. Put your name on your favorite dessert. I'm going to Control V, or I could make a new sticky note since I already have one. Cookies. I love cookies. Now we'll be able to see who else loves cookies. There's just a few of these. You know what, everybody? Use as many as you want. If it starts just to go crazy, or if you get to slide 6 and see that somebody's deleted all the slides, well, that's that. And it's something for us to teach and learn around. This is a new technology for me. I think this is a new technology for all of us. I think we can learn from each other and see how it goes. Thanks so much. Looking forward to what comes out of this, and we'll see you on the internet.